Motivation is the driving force behind every action we take.
It's what compels us to set goals, face challenges, and ultimately achieve success. But what exactly is motivation, and how can we harness its full potential? This guide delves into the nature of motivation, exploring its types, sources, and practical strategies for maintaining and boosting it. Motivation is the psychological and emotional energy that propels us toward our objectives. It can be understood as the internal drive that causes us to act, whether it's to achieve personal goals, excel in our careers, or overcome obstacles. Motivation encompasses both the desire to achieve something and the willingness to put in the effort to make it happen. Motivation can be broadly categorized into two types. This type of motivation comes from within. It's driven by personal satisfaction, enjoyment, or a sense of accomplishment. For example, someone who enjoys painting may spend hours creating art purely for the joy of the process. This type comes from external factors. It's driven by rewards or recognition from others. For instance, a person might work hard at their job to receive a promotion or financial bonus. Both intrinsic and extrinsic motivations play crucial roles in our lives. Balancing the two can lead to a more fulfilling and productive experience. Setting clear, meaningful goals aligned with your core values can provide a strong motivational foundation. When your goals reflect what truly matters to you, you're more likely to stay committed and driven. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends, family, and mentors can significantly boost your motivation. Positive reinforcement and encouragement from others can make a huge difference in maintaining your drive. Observing and learning from the successes of others can be a powerful motivator. Whether it's through biographies, documentaries, or personal interactions, seeing others achieve their goals can inspire you to pursue your own. Creating a reward system for achieving milestones can enhance motivation. Celebrating small victories and setting up incentives can keep you engaged and focused on your long-term goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Breaking your goals down into smaller, manageable steps helps maintain focus and provides a clear roadmap for success. Establishing a daily routine can create a structured environment that fosters productivity. Consistency in your habits and actions helps build momentum and reinforces your commitment. Visualization is a powerful technique for enhancing motivation. Picture yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the associated emotions. This mental imagery can make your objectives feel more attainable and real. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth can shift your perspective and enhance motivation. Embracing difficulties as part of the journey rather than obstacles can help you stay resilient and motivated. Maintaining physical and mental well-being is crucial for sustaining motivation. Regular exercise, healthy eating, adequate sleep, and stress management are essential components of a motivated mindset. Be open to adjusting your plans as needed. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and overcome unexpected obstacles, ensuring that you remain motivated even when things don't go as planned. Procrastination can be a significant barrier to motivation. To combat this, break tasks into smaller, manageable pieces, set deadlines, and use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus. Feeling stuck can dampen motivation. Regularly review and adjust your goals, celebrate incremental achievements, and seek feedback to stay motivated and on track. Burnout occurs when you push yourself too hard without adequate rest or balance. To prevent burnout, set realistic expectations, take regular breaks, and ensure you maintain a healthy work-life balance. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning, fosters resilience and long-term motivation. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continually seek self-improvement. Curiosity and a willingness to learn keep motivation alive. Explore new interests, seek out new experiences, and remain engaged in activities that stimulate your mind and passions. Regular reflection on your progress, achievements, and challenges helps maintain perspective and motivation. Celebrate your successes, learn from setbacks, and adjust your strategies as needed. Motivation is a dynamic and multifaceted force that drives us toward our goals and aspirations. By understanding its types, sources, and strategies for maintenance, you can harness its power to achieve personal and professional success. Remember that motivation is not a static state but a journey that requires ongoing effort, reflection, and adaptation. Embrace the process, stay committed to your goals, and let your inner drive propel you toward a fulfilling and successful life. As we draw our exploration of motivation to a close, it's important to recognize that motivation is not a one-time event but a continuous journey. It's the fuel that powers our ambitions and keeps us striving toward our dreams, regardless of the challenges we face along the way. Understanding and harnessing motivation involves more than just setting goals. It requires an ongoing commitment to nurturing the internal and external factors that drive us.
Motivation is inherently dynamic and subject to change.
It can ebb and flow depending on various factors such as our environment, experiences, and emotional states. Recognizing this fluidity allows us to approach motivation with a sense of flexibility and resilience. Instead of expecting a constant surge of motivation, we should anticipate periods of fluctuation and be prepared to adapt our strategies accordingly. Embracing this variability can help us remain persistent and focused, even when our motivation seems to wane.
Regular self-reflection is crucial for maintaining and enhancing motivation.
By periodically assessing our goals, progress, and motivations, we gain valuable insights into what drives us and what may be holding us back. Self-reflection enables us to celebrate our achievements, learn from our experiences, and adjust our approach as needed. It helps us stay aligned with our values and ensures that our efforts remain meaningful and purposeful. A supportive environment can significantly impact our motivation levels. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, whether through friends, family, mentors, or professional networks, provides encouragement and reinforces our commitment to our goals. Additionally, creating a conducive physical and mental space for productivity, such as a well-organized workspace or a balanced lifestyle, further supports our motivation and helps us stay on track.
Finding a balance between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation is key to sustaining long-term drive.
While intrinsic motivation, rooted in personal satisfaction and passion, provides a deep sense of fulfillment, extrinsic motivation, driven by external rewards and recognition, can offer practical incentives and validation. Leveraging both types of motivation allows us to stay engaged and motivated from multiple angles, enriching our journey toward achieving our goals.
Challenges and setbacks are integral to the motivational journey.
They test our resilience and offer opportunities for growth and learning. Embracing challenges with a positive mindset allows us to view them as stepping stones rather than obstacles.
Each setback provides valuable lessons that contribute to our personal and professional development, ultimately strengthening our motivation and determination.
Adopting a growth mindset, the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning, plays a crucial role in sustaining motivation. A growth mindset encourages us to approach difficulties with curiosity and perseverance, seeing them as opportunities for improvement rather than insurmountable barriers. This mindset fosters resilience, adaptability, and an ongoing commitment to self-improvement. Acknowledging and celebrating our progress, no matter how small, reinforces our motivation and keeps us engaged. Recognizing our achievements and milestones provides a sense of accomplishment and encourages us to continue working toward our goals. Staying engaged in activities that stimulate our interests and passions helps maintain enthusiasm and drive throughout the journey. Self-care and well-being are fundamental to sustaining motivation. Prioritizing our physical, mental, and emotional health ensures that we have the energy and resilience needed to pursue our goals. Incorporating regular exercise, healthy eating, adequate rest, and stress management into our routine helps us maintain a balanced and motivated state. As we progress on our motivational journey, it's essential to remain adaptable and open to evolution. Our goals, interests, and circumstances may change over time, and so should our approach to motivation. Embracing this adaptability allows us to stay relevant and aligned with our evolving aspirations, ensuring that our motivation remains robust and purposeful.
Ultimately, motivation is an ongoing commitment to ourselves and our aspirations. It requires conscious effort, self-awareness, and a willingness to embrace both the highs and lows of the journey. By integrating the strategies and insights discussed, we can cultivate a resilient and dynamic sense of motivation that propels us toward our dreams. In conclusion, motivation is a powerful and multifaceted force that shapes our journey toward achieving our goals. By understanding its nature, leveraging its sources, and applying effective strategies, we can harness its potential to drive us forward. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a determined spirit, and let your motivation guide you toward a fulfilling and successful life.